Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio up here. This time we're demonstrating an AM/FM radio out of a 1968 Ford T-Bird Landau. And this comes from John in Pocahontas, Iowa. Thank you, John, for your business all the way from the Midwest, even a little bit possibly farther than the Midwest. John has requested the internal conversion because the FM stopped working, and he wanted the conversion wired to his original connector, so he doesn't get that big increase in output power, but he gets AM, FM, balance and fader and all that cool stuff. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get. And we'll check our balance and fader. Okay, left, right balance, all the way left. Right.
Here's something to think about. There
Left.
are 3 goals and a half.
Right.
3 flavors of Neapolitan ice cream and 3 bears that
Okay,
Goldilocks
now,
kid got mixed up with.
the original fader controls in these radios, they have a limited lifespan, so I never reuse them. About half of them are bad already. And so we have a virtual front rear fader in the tone control, and I'm going to show you how we activate and adjust that. We're going to start with our tone control in the center position. We're going to give it 2 turns to the right.
Now Mama Bear is rolling the family in a new
Fader adjust.
Okay, and now the same curl is adjusting our front rear speaker balance. All the way front,
or lease
all the
for
way
just
rear,
$317 a month, 35 months,
front,
only $19.99 down.
rear.
And Baby
Okay,
Bear's
I'm gonna
cruising in
center
a new
him.
2022 GMC Canyon elevated.
Fader is set.
Fleet lease for
Okay,
$339 a
let's
month,
go ahead and move over to
35 months,
FM.
$19.99
You know what, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into Perry mode. We don't need this stuff anymore.
GMC, we are professional grade.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. And let's make sure it plays my radio commercial on the USB stick.
Have you considered volunteering?
Having fun, driving my classic ride. Got a Mustang, but it's a 69. But she ain't sounding so fine. Driving this car, I can't hear the guitar. And all my tapes run slow too. The radio's smoking, 8-track deck's broken. What can I do? Send it to 8-track repair center. 8-track repair center. 8-track repair center.com.
Okay.
First rate.
Okay, I'm the composer and copyright owner of that last song, so that's why I could play it in its entirety. Let's move over to FM, and I have all 5 of the buttons preset to FM stations in my area. Okay, and there you have it. All the functions are working. We got AM, FM, we got balance, front rear fade, we got Bluetooth and USB, and all speakers are going to their proper locations. All speaker outputs are going to the right speakers is what I meant to say. So, on that happy note, this is the last of a marathon of about 30 radios that I had completed and ready for test. Got a few I need to update the software on, and then I can get back to actually working on stuff after I pack all these and send them out. So to reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below, and please download and print a work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because almost all those questions, if not all of them, will be answered on the work order. And calling me unnecessarily, all that does is threaten the quality of my workmanship, and I won't allow that to happen for my customers and for myself. I don't like warranty returns. Customers don't like having to pull it out and send it back. So please respect my need to be on the bench as much as possible and off the phone as much as possible, and just observe those requests from me. Thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, John, for your business all the way from Pocahontas, Iowa, and we'll see you next time.